thought we'd do a quick video of my daily driver. It is a 1993 Toyota Landcruiser. Quite a few modifications. It's got an ARB front bumper. It has about a 2-inch Old Man Emu lift. Those are updated headlights, of course. This truck has been, I've owned it over 20 years. It has been through multiple hurricanes. It just survived Tropical Storm Debbie. Just lots of rain, so it's a little dirty. It's been repainted, but overall, mechanically, it's spectacular. Everything works, every button, every power fitting on it. In addition to the 2-inch Old Man Emu lift, it uses brand new stock Toyota Landcruiser shocks, updated bushings everywhere. Something neat about this is that it's triple locked. I mentioned the triple locked. What it is that in this truck you can electronically lock both front and rear differentials. Plus, we've made that center diff allows you to lock the center differential as well, to lock all 4 wheels together. And here's one of the neat things. 283,000 miles without missing a beat.